So you expressed interest in the Palisades area or neighborhood of Charlotte, North Carolina. Well, I want to share with you an available home that's a story and a half. I think you're going to like it. It has views of Lake Wiley. Come with me. Let's go inside and take a look at this 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2,700 square foot home that right now is priced under $500,000. Let's go. Now, this is a Laney Floor plan by Taylor Morrison, and this is in the Pinnacle at Northreach by Taylor Morrison in the Palisades community. At the Pinnacle at Northreach, you do have access to all of the amenities at the Palisades, the social club. That is your view of Lake Wiley. Waving, talking to one of the neighbors running. Let's go inside and take a look. Oh, I didn't tell you, this home is under construction. So the tape you see on the wall is just their quality control because they want to deliver a product in as perfect condition as possible. So that's them checking after themselves and delivering you, the buyer, a perfect product or near perfect product. No home is perfect. They're made by humans. This was bedroom number 1 that has its own ensuite. And right here is your study. Makes a nice space for a study or an office. Now let's go through the rest of the home. This is your laundry room. And then your 2-car garage. Now, one thing about this Pinnacle collection by Taylor Morrison that you will feel once you enter it is the sheer size of the ceilings. You have 10-foot ceilings. So although the home is 2,700 square feet, it just feels much larger because of the high ceilings. Quartz countertop, beautiful backsplash. You have a hood exhaust that vents to the outside. Just take a look at the finishes and features that you get with this home. This is your eating area. Let's go take a look at the outdoors. You do have a deck. Now, it's been raining all weekend, so that is why you have a buildup of rainwater. Now, this is the owner suite. This is the ensuite. You just saw the tray ceilings in the bedroom. And take a look at this luxury spa shower. Now we're headed upstairs where you have this large loft area as well as a full bathroom and a bedroom. Let me know what you think. If you're interested in the Palisades and looking forward to buying in the Palisades, please reach out to my team and I. We would love to help you. I am Sir Ashley. I have been recognized as one of the top real estate agents in all of Charlotte and all of North Carolina. And we take helping people find, buy, and sell homes very seriously. And we do so with an expertise that very few real estate professionals have. Look forward to hearing from you. Our contact information is on the video and in the description below. Talk soon.
Talk to me nice, talk to me